Let's have a look at the topics that are there for AZ-104 exam. These are the 5 main modules: manage identity and governance, implement and manage storage, deploy and manage Azure compute resources, implement and maintain virtual networking, monitor and maintain Azure resources. Let's see what we have in each of these modules. Manage Azure identities and governance is about 20 to 25% of the exam. And we have 3 main topics inside this one: administer identity, where you learn about Microsoft Entra ID; administer governance and compliance, where you'll learn policies, subscriptions, management group, and RBAC; administer Azure resources. This is where you will learn ARM templates, CLI, PowerShell. The next one is implement and manage storage. We only have one module inside that, which is administer Azure storage, and that makes 15 to 20% of your exam. Next is deploy and manage Azure compute resources, 20 to 25%. And we have 2 topics. One is about virtual machines, another one is about PaaS compute options like app servers, container instances, container apps, etc. With the recent update, Azure Kubernetes service is not part of this exam. Then we have implement and manage virtual networking, where we will have administering virtual networking, inter-site connectivity using VNet peering and VPN gateway. Even though you'll see VPN gateway in this course, it is not required for the exam, but it's good to know topic. So that's the reason why it's still included in your syllabus. Administer network traffic with the help of load balancers, route tables, and UDRs. Finally, we have monitor and maintain Azure resources, which is 10 to 15%, where you'll learn about data protection, which includes site recovery and backup. Then you have administer monitoring, which is Azure Monitor, log analytics, and alerts. That's all we have for AZ-104 exam. Now, there are certain service name changes. Azure AD is now Microsoft Entra ID. Feature-wise, there is no change. It's just that the name replacement is done. You can always look at additional resources, which is Microsoft Learn, Azure Documentation, Channel 9, Azure Tuesdays, and Azure Fridays. On that note, let's start AZ-104. All the best.